Hey everyone, I'm Shubham, ex-Salesforce ISC Partner Account Manager and now CEO and founder of Sastam Softwares. In this demo, I'm going to demonstrate how you can mass download files and attachment from files downloader application using single click. During my time in Salesforce, I know the daily struggles for Salesforce teams to export files and attachments from Salesforce natively. So hence I developed this tool. So after installing the application, this is the files downloader interface. The first option I have is select object which you want to download files and attachments. So these 5 objects are the standard objects, but if you have any custom object, you can also search for any custom object. Here you can see a given as a custom object. We also have an option on the settings page. Do you want to include the record IDs in the file names? If you want to, you can simply toggle this. Even if you don't want, you can simply toggle this. And if you want to download zip files in the subfolder. For the demo, I am choosing an account for now. After choosing an account, I have 3 options. How to download files and attachment via whether it's a one particular account record, whether using the list view of account, using third is a SQL and the related record of account. Most of our users are using the list view because it's straightforward and simple and clear. So I'm also choosing the same file within the list view of account. After clicking the file within the list view of account, I can simply hit on the search button. So after clicking on the search button, as you can see, this data table has arrived. This data table depicts how many total number of files found, which is 150, and page 1 out of 2. So this stat is very important. If you want to search for any particular file, you can also search for any particular file if you want to. So any particular file you want to search, you can also search that. Some users of ours are using PDF, specifically PDF. So if you want to filter by a PDF, you can also search for a PDF. So otherwise you can make it as it is for all now. You also have an option 10, 25, 50, how many batches you want to download the files. So I'm taking 10 for now. After clicking the 10, you can see these are the files. So these are account record. One is the Burlington, second is the Taranis, third is the Global Media, fourth is the Salesforce.com itself, their size, their type, their last modified. So I'm choosing Burlington files, Taranis files, again Taranis. Either I can multi-select all the files, or I can simply click on the title. Beside let's do title, I have chosen all the 10 files. So as you can see, all the 10 files I've chosen. And here is the button where you can download. After hitting this button, you can see there is a pop-up comes, greatly takes time. It shows the total number of files downloaded. It shows files downloaded successfully. Now the best part is after the files has been downloaded in a zip. Here, files downloaded, part 3 zip. Once I open this, the zip after the downloading the zip file has been generated. So you can see there's an Acme was an account which I chosen. So PPTX was one of the file. Then second was the Burlington. So Burlington has 2 files. The Global Media has 1, 2, 3, 4 files, and Taranis also have 2 files. Apart from this, the files you'll also get a CSV mapping file, which is for 1 KB, which depicts the serial number, their type, the IDs of each of the files, their title, which is basically the name of the file, their parent ID, parent name, file path, owner ID, owner name, create date, task modify, content document ID. So this get every time whenever you do a download, so that you can keep a track of what you have downloaded in your local system. Moving forward, you can also track from here as well. So how many files you have downloaded, what are the primary source, which is object, and total files downloaded, MB, and which user has downloaded the file. So I hope you like this demo. If you like it, please let us know. And if you have any questions, we are happy to assist you. Thank you so much.